Annyeonghaseyo, Jenny and Alexa, and also Stemery. For the month of May, Aramdayan Jayanim give your monthly allowance. For Jenny, 5,000 pesos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
아름다운 자이님 감사합니다.
For Anne, 4,000 pesos.
아름다운 자이님 감사합니다.
For Alexa, 4,000 pesos.
아름다운 자이님 감사합니다.
And for Stemery, 4,000 pesos.
아름다운 자이님 감사합니다. 아름다운 자이님 감사합니다. As incoming at third year college, I will study hard and pursue my dreams, and I will not disappoint you. As a incoming freshman student in college, I will study hard and we will make you proud. Thank you for your sponsorship and belief in what we're doing. Thank you for being an important part of our success. We always promise that we will study hard and pursue our dreams. Thank you for always supporting us. Get well soon, Uncle. Get well soon, Uncle. 안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo also Anne, Alexa, and Stemery. Since you've graduated and then you go to your new school, Aramdayan Jayanim give you a gift to have a new uniform. Aramdayan Jayanim sponsored your new uniform 2,000 pesos each. For Anne, 2,000 pesos.
아름다운 자이님 감사합니다.
For Alexa, 2,000 pesos.
아름다운 자이님 감사합니다.
And for Stemery, 2,000 pesos.
아름다운 자이님 감사합니다. 아름다운 자이님 감사합니다. Thank you for sponsoring our uniform in our new school. It is a big help to us since this is an important thing in our new school. 아름다운 자이님 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Anjay. Uncle Aramdayan Jayanim give you 200 pesos as a pocket money.
Thank you, Uncle. I will buy this for school supplies. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo, mother of Jenny and also father of Jenny. Aramdayan Jayanim give you a food allowance worth 2,000 pesos for mother of Jenny.
자유님 감사합니다.
For the father of Jenny, Aramdayan Jayanim give 2,000 pesos for the tricycle repair. 2,000 pesos.
아름다운 감사합니다.
And also, Aramdayan Jayanim give 2,000 pesos also for me, for my food allowance to my family. Aramdayan
자유님 감사합니다.
Be healthy and God bless you always in Korea. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Amping.
Amping.